So here we are, morning one, the Utah trip. Sun's up in Golden, Colorado. We're about to unload the bikes and head west to Utah. We're gonna roll through the Rockies today, get all the way over to Moab, go into Arches, and ultimately stay in Moab. And it's gonna be pretty amazing. Can't wait. It's gorgeous here right now. It's perfect temp. It's like 65, 70. Today's gonna be, we're gonna roll up into Silverthorne where the high is 60, and then it's gonna be 95 in Moab. So we're gonna get a little bit of everything today. But you know what? That's the Rockies for you. So can't wait. Can't wait to get these bad boys off the trailer and get rolling. Let's go.
Alright, so we're just rolling through Silverthorne on our way to Vail, and then eventually Grand Junction, and then Utah. This ride through the Rockies is always just unbelievable. This whole trip is going to be ridiculous. Decided to get off the highway on, I think it's 128, and we're on the high plain here, but we're going to drop down in next to the Colorado River and kind of go into Moab the back way. It's supposed to be an amazing ride, so here's hoping. Oh man, this is why you get off the highway. This is unbelievable. It's like riding in a Western. And we're following the Colorado River basically all the way into Moab, and this is absolutely one of the best rides we've ever done. You gotta love being right up against the edge of the river. Literally just feet from the water. This is unbelievable. We got a few more miles of this, and then it's Arches, which I've heard is spectacular. It's a lot like Valley of Fire. So
But is there like a gift shop or something, or no?
there's a visitor center if it's open. But it's a lot like Valley of Fire, where you just we'll ride in. You can ride in and like get to a loop and get some awesome. It's cool. You know, since we're all dressed for it, we can go on like a 1.5 mile hike to go see one of the arches.
That's the traffic to go to our campground?
Yeah. Alright, well, unfortunately, there's a car accident or something in Arches, so we can't go in. The park is closed. So we're going to head back towards our campsite, and then maybe a couple of us might get up early in the morning and head in there. I don't want to miss it. This is one I've been looking forward to. Arches is supposed to be spectacular. And, you know, in the morning light might be the right way to go.